Forecast with KOIN 6 Chief Meteorologist Bruce Sussman.
Well, it's Wednesday evening, and if you've got plans, let's start with your 24-hour forecast so you know what to expect. Forecast for tonight looks like this: 70 degrees and sunny at 7 o'clock this evening. So we're actually going to be warming between now and then. It's kind of unusual. 65 at 9 o'clock with clear skies, and then maybe a few of those patchy low clouds starting to appear in the sky by 11 tonight. Tomorrow morning, we'll have patchy morning clouds, not as solid or widespread as they were today, but they'll be around. They're gone, though, long before lunch. It's sunny and beautiful tomorrow for eating lunch outside if you have a spot in the sunshine rather than the shade, and 80 to finish the day. So that's significantly warmer than we got today. Now, right now, it's 67 and totally clear on our Salties camera right along the Columbia. Look at the wind, just 3 miles an hour. You know it's a nice evening when the wind along the river is just 3 miles an hour, which is the case right now. How about another stop where the temperatures warmed 4 degrees in the last hour? Beaverton, clear skies. You're now up to 71. So what I'm saying is we have not hit our highs yet for the day. 69 so far in Portland, but I think we'll cross into the 70s here in the next few minutes. Look at the 80s, though, east of the mountains, so that's where the heat was today. All of us are going to warm up tomorrow because we will not have the morning clouds that were with us as long as they were today. I mean, this is like 12 hours of time lapse, and then all of a sudden the clouds are gone. Tomorrow, I might be able to show you clouds in a couple hours of the satellite. That is it. Same thing along the coast. Socked in many areas for much of the day. You can tell things are kind of retreating here now, right? But the low clouds, well, they're pretty persistent. So they'll try and push their ways down the Columbia or through the gaps down here in the southern part of the viewing area, right, and kind of close in on the valley. That'll get some more ocean air in here and some clouds for the morning start, but not as many as we've seen. One other thing, it looks like we've got another day, what we do now, of thunderstorms going on in central and eastern Oregon. More of them again tomorrow afternoon, but it should be limited more to the southern half of central and eastern Oregon. It's all linked to this thing, if you can believe it. This area low pressure was near Vegas yesterday. Now it's near Denver. It's actually going to kick out some snow across the Midwest as it keeps on moving away from us. So as it does that, all we have left to worry about are the morning clouds. Now, 7:30 tonight, not much in the way of cloudiness. You see the clouds kind of increase during the overnight hours. 7 a.m. tomorrow, patchy morning clouds here, and you know, kind of dotting the Willamette Valley. They're long gone by the time we get to lunchtime tomorrow. And then we go into the early evening hours tomorrow. It is beautiful and significantly warmer. You're really going to notice a difference at this time tomorrow night. That's because we're headed for the 60s along the coast, upper 70s in Kelso, and low 80s for Salem and Eugene. So we are warming things up around here. We'll start at 52 in Portland. We end up at 80 degrees. And one of the key factors is the morning clouds don't stick around as long. We also have high pressure increasing over us. That tends to warm us. And then we've got the sun to do it as well. 81 in Lake Oswego. Tigard, you hit 80 tomorrow afternoon. Morning low in Clackamas at 51 with a high of 80 degrees. And across southwest Washington, we'll hit 79 in Salmon Creek, but 80 in Vancouver. And Scappoose, you top out at 78. Now, the warming trend continues. I was talking about summer heat making a comeback. Friday is our summer heat day on the 7-day forecast. I mean, look at that. Now, we're going to have clouds occasionally the next few days, but it'll still feel warm. Sunday, it looks like morning rain switching to showers and sun breaks in the afternoon, but we still make a run at 70, and that is really unusual because our average high this time of year is only 66.
Yeah.